back, wholesaler, through the seas of inflation. We want to talk about Europe and Amazon. Both are in trouble. Wholesaler, inflation from decades, navigating. That's why I help you navigate with me. So you don't have this car and here my real face. I will help you navigate through inflation. Here inflation is 60-70%. So you better listen to what I have to say, because Amazon is in trouble. I received secret intel from Europe. The retail stocks are in trouble. Well, let me turn on this music and we'll start. An wholesaler. So listen to the wholesaler from the market, because I've been here for 20 years. Lots of scars, more than this one. Inflation says, trust me, I'm Argentinian. Trust me that. So let's start. If you see that returns this week, it means that crude oil is mysteriously strong and going up, while the markets are in a sell-off, and we were in the past to all the silver apes that something was wrong. Oh yeah, something was wrong. And we're warning about the shields of the forward curves in the European zone. This means the future, what the markets believe is going to happen with the interest rate in Europe. They are way negative and they are way ahead of the inflation area. So they have to increase like crazy, but they won't do it in Europe, because this is what the markets and this curve is showing, that so hard that we go to tops 2%, 2.50% tops, when they have inflation doubling that. In the United States, the inflation are much higher, so markets will save euros, will sell stocks, and they will go to the United States. That's current trade. That's risk. And the euro is trapped. So they can increase interest rates because they could completely crash the bond market that is already destroyed. So they are trapped. This is the future that the market believes is going to happen with the interest rate in Europe. So we check, remember this price, remember this level is 2%. Let's go to the United States. Interest rate for the forward curves. The forward curves, it means where do the markets believe the short-term interest rate will going to be much higher, 3.3%, much higher at least. So the market believes that the United States will continue to go up higher than the Europe. This means, let me turn the music off, or the sailor here. It means that Europe will be destroyed. And this is Zalando. It's a corporation like Amazon Europe retail stocks. This is the future for Amazon, for future for Amazon performance. So you check the charts here, all the way back to 2014. After months 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months of suffering, this is a stock that, with all the COVID crisis, everybody went online buying, so the company made business and they expand the investment and the company and the profits, buying warehouses and creating new routes, and they make a lot of money. So check where was the high of this stock. The high of this stock was in July 2021 in Buenos Aires. The local government stopped the closing of stores, and they started to reopen the economy at that moment. And also it's the same story all over the world around here. So the company, as soon as they reopened the economy, it went to trash. So Europe has this geopolitical risk, also the interest rates increasing high cycle, and high inflation, that which is very bad for retail stocks margin. So they won't navigate like me in the inflation seas because they are in trouble. So check this pattern here. So you check the projection, they could go 30% lower from here. Zalando stock, retail stock, remember that. And let me show you now the same pattern in Amazon. You see, they are like a few months behind of this pattern. This is what I saw also in the checking altcoins and shitcoins that were warning me in the past that Bitcoin could continue following down shitcoin. So this is now the same path but with retail stocks. So they had the first two bearish candles here, while Zalando already visited this part here 3 months ago. Remember this 2 months going sideways in Zalando stock pattern, and now look here, the movement sideways here and here. It means that they are behind. They are behind. You go here, the 2 months pattern, and here the 2 months pattern here, all this shape here, and they are just crossing this 2 months pattern here, which has here. So they have already crossed it, and they continue to go down. There is nothing to stop Zalando here. So they could crash another 30%, and Amazon could crash another 10% at the least. This is so high risk that Amazon could continue to go crash all this area around 2000 and lower. They have no chance. It's like gravity here, very high. You have a V-shaped recovery, very violent, or the most likely scenario, I might prefer one, a complete destruction of Amazon to this area here, coming soon. So this is just for educational purposes, entertainment. Because I'm just a sailor, navigating through the sailor for inflation here. Maybe you can trust a sailor, but the things look bad. They are suffering with high operating costs and expenses here, and they are now struggling to fight. So we have a 30% lower target for Zalando, and they could stabilize around in the middle with this area here, which is around 27, and Amazon should go at least 10% lower, and let's see what happens there. So I hope you enjoy this update. Goodbye.